Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about the gradient map adjustment. The gradient map can be useful if we want to give our image kind of a stylized color. Let's again create this gradient map adjustment layer from here. This is the gradient map. By default, it applies this black and white gradient. What Photoshop does is, it looks at the darkest value of the image and remaps it to black and the brightest pixels to white. All the pixels in between are mapped according to these colors in between. Now if we click on this gradient, we can choose any gradient. If I select this gradient, you can see that it has remapped the colors and given it a gradient ranging from black to blue to orange to white. The brightest pixels are remapped to white and the darkest pixels are remapped to black. We can completely customize any gradient. If I want to remove any swatch, I'll just click on it and drag it up. It is removed. Simply I'll remove this and make it our darkest pixel. I'll remove this. Keep the orange in between. We can also change this color. I can make it a bit brighter or a bit lighter. I can customize it any way I like. Now you can see that the darkest pixels have changed to a dark blue color. The brightest pixels have been changed to white and in between have been changed to orangish color. We also have a number of gradient groups that we can load from here, like color harmonies, metals, neutral density. Let's see, I'll select simple. Now if I choose this gradient, you can see the effect. So you can select any of these groups to give the gradient you want. Now here we can also reverse the gradient. Black is the darkest pixel and white is the brightest pixel. If I reverse it, you can see that the brightest pixels have been changed to black and the darkest pixel has been changed to white. Now what is dither? You cannot see the effect of dither in this image. But what dither does is, it breaks the colors in between and gives some bands of colors in between. We can also adjust the opacity of our adjustment layer. Suppose I want to give it a dramatic look. I am giving a blue tint, but if I play with the opacity, you can see that the original colors are also visible. So it depends upon you what kind of color you want. You can play with the gradients, you can play with the opacity and get the desired results. Gradient map is very useful in retinting our image very dramatically. That's all for this lesson, friends. See you in the next lesson.